What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I literally just got home from work a couple of hours ago. I worked a full day in the salon today, but I really wanted to get up a tutorial this week, and so my hubby is downstairs with the baby and my girls. And so I had told him yesterday in the evening when we were downstairs that I really wanted to get a tutorial up because I want to stick to my once a week tutorial. And so my husband, being very supportive, he's like, I got this, babe, go do your thing. So here I am. I wiped off all of my makeup and I'm ready to start fresh and clean. I actually already put on foundation and a primer. I didn't mean to. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, and so I'm just gonna tell you guys what's on my skin. But before I get started and move along with this tutorial, I just wanted to say thank you because I was super excited. I mean, I know that there's people out, hundreds of thousands and millions of subscribers, and granted that wasn't the reason why I started this YouTube channel. The reason why I started this YouTube channel is because just over the years of being a hairstylist and a makeup artist, so many of my clients, they just pushed me and encouraged me. And my daughters, I have 4 daughters now, but my oldest daughters, they just always like encouraged me, and I just decided to do it one day. And so the last few months have been really fun. I've come out a little more out of my shell. It's not so weird recording myself. I actually look forward to it and I have fun with it. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that has subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate it. And the feedback I've been getting when I have clients coming in telling me that they went and bought a certain product and they're loving it, and they tried to do their makeup the way I did my makeup in a tutorial, like it's just, I don't know, like it makes me feel so happy. Thank you. Thank you from the very bottom of my corazón. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. This is awesome. I'm excited. It just gets me excited to keep going. Stay-at-home moms, you know, that are clients of mine that have been coming to me and, you know, telling me that I've inspired them to start doing their makeup more and to get ready. Like, it just makes me so happy because first and foremost, you always have to take care of yourself because you have to feel good about you, because if you don't, I mean, you don't feel good. So anyway, I can definitely relate. I've been there, I've done that, and sometimes just a quick little, you know, slapping some makeup on your face, it just changes. Like, you just feel good because you know that you look good, your contour's on point, you got some fly eyelashes on, and you just feel good. Even if you're not going anywhere, even if you're just staying at home playing with a toddler all day, get up and put some makeup on and I guarantee you it will change your life. Alright, so let's stop rambling. Let's get on with the tutorial because that's the reason why you came. Did I even tell you guys what I'm doing today? I'm doing a bronzy, glowy, should I say J-Lo? I'm not really a J-Lo fan, but everybody always talks about wanting that J-Lo glow. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to get that J-Lo glow on a budget. Okay, so I got home, I wiped off my face, all of my makeup, and I already re-moisturized and re-prepped my skin, and I have my foundation on. So what I used underneath my foundation was the Loreal Glotion, the True Match Lumi Glotion Natural Glow Enhancer in the shade 902. I love this stuff. I use it as a primer under my foundation. I use it and I mix it in with my foundation. I've used this with the moisturizer just to kind of, when I don't want to wear makeup that day, but I still want to moisturize, but I want a little bit of a glow. I love this stuff. You can get it at the drugstore. I got this one at Walmart. But yeah, this one, I love this. I've really been loving this product, and it really helps starting out with a product like this underneath your foundation or mixing it in with your foundation to give you that really pretty, dewy, glowy, summer sun-kissed J-Lo glow. All I'm gonna say is the only reason J-Lo is J-Lo is because of Selena. If she had never made that movie, would we even know who she is? Glowy skin is healthy skin to me. Healthy skin to me is glowy and dewy. I really like this L'Oreal True Match Glow Lotion. I really highly recommend it. And then I went in with the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation Brightening Complex. This foundation, I love this foundation. In my last tutorial, I used this one by Flower Beauty, the Light Illusion Luminous Makeup. I still love this lotion. I still love this foundation, but I've noticed, I've been switching back and forth between the two of them, but I've noticed when I wear this Physicians formula, I get so many compliments on my skin. So now let's jump into the rest of the look. So I'm gonna go ahead and conceal, because I haven't concealed and primed my lids. And I'm going to use this Maybelline Age Rewind. I love this stuff. I'm just gonna pat it on my lid. And then I will use my finger to blend it out. Just kidding, I'm gonna use my beauty blender. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead, excuse my red eyes, I am tired, it is the end of the day. We're just gonna keep rolling with this video. Anyway, so I'm gonna start out with a shimmery color on my lid. This is in Maybelline. Maybelline makes some of the most amazing single eyeshadows. This formula, I love these. I'm going to use a fluffy brush, and this is the Maybelline Expert Wear, and this is in the shade, does this say what shade it is? Nude Glow. It's just a really pretty bronzy color. So I'm gonna get this and dip my brush in it, and I'm just not being precise, I'm just gonna pat that and swirl it all over my eyelid. Oh my gosh, I forgot to contour. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be using the Jordana Sculpt and Glow. I'm just gonna do a little bit right here. And then I'm just gonna use this fluffy brush, this stippling brush, to blend that out. And then now I'm going to use, this is my favorite, ever since they came out with this a couple of years ago, this is my favorite bronzer, but especially in the summer, it smells like coconuts. It just smells like summer to me. So this is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just gonna go with a big fluffy brush. I'm gonna go over where we contoured and just bronze up my face a little bit more. And also down the neck and the décolleté. And we are going to use this same bronzer as a shadow in the crease. I'm just gonna pick up a fluffy brush, and we are just going to kind of bronze up that crease. Even though we already laid down that shimmery shade, this is just to kind of add some dimension right on top of it. And then I'm also going to dust some along the bottom lash line. Actually, I'm gonna go in with my contour stick and use that right in the lash line. And then I'll blend it out with the fluffy brush. And then I am going to just lightly conceal. I don't feel like I need a lot of concealer. Set that, and I'm going to use my Airspun powder. It's over here, sorry. I'm not really gonna bake, I'm just gonna press it in just to set that concealer. Now we are going to use a blush. This is my favorite blush for the summertime, well, all year round, but especially for summer. It is by Milani, and it is in the shade Luminoso. It just adds a nice little peachy flush to the cheek. You see that deliciousness? Like, look. Now for my favorite part, we're gonna highlight. And for today's highlighter, I cannot decide. Maybelline Master Chrome or Pixi. Oh, I've been really liking this Pixi one. I'm gonna grab this Pixi highlighter and I'm gonna dip into both of them, kind of just swoosh it around back and forth like that. And we're gonna go in circular motion, starting at the forehead and bringing it down. Because I don't really want it to be like just right here. Then I'm gonna run it down my nose, my Cupid's bow, my chin. And girls, this is very important. I think it looks very nice when you highlight your, is this your collarbone? Collarbones right here? Anyway, I like to highlight them in the summer. I am glowing. Okay, now I'm gonna give my eyelashes a quick curl. And I absolutely love cocktailing my mascaras. So first I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Total Temptations mascara. I love this mascara. So I use that one to give them their fullness. Now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational. And I like this one because the wand is a little bit one of those stiffer ones. And I like the way it curves because I can really get under and wiggle. And it kind of just adds separation to my lashes. And then for lip combo, I'm gonna be using these two guys right here. This is the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner 04 All Natural. And then I'm gonna be using this lip gloss, which my husband bought me from Victoria's Secrets. And it is just, it's just called Lip Silk Sheer Gloss. So now I'm just going to spray my face with some setting spray. I'm using the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. I almost forgot to spray setting spray. I was just about to end the tutorial and I almost forgot to spray setting spray. You know what it is? I get super excited when I'm filming and I don't want to leave anything out. I don't want to miss a step. Like, I don't want to miss talking about a step that I end up missing a step. I don't know if that makes any sense. All right, you guys, so that concludes this look. I mean, I don't know how much glowier I can get, but I love this look. It's fresh, it looks healthy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys pick up any of these products, let me know if you try any of them out. I'd really love to hear some of your feedback. This butter bronzer is amazing. It just smells delicious. It feels so good on the skin. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this bronzer. This highlight by Pixi, I've been all about it since I picked it up. Everything that I used in this tutorial, I just absolutely love it. I'm going to be using a lot of these products. Oh, these Maybelline, if you guys have never tried the Single Shadows by Maybelline, definitely give them a try, especially this one. This one was in the shade Nude Glow. I really like this. It's simple to just throw it all over your eye and then go in, you know, with your bronzer for your crease color. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please give it a thumbs up before you leave.